Starting and running a business is hard, but there is one way to make it much easier. So if you run a business or start a business, you can do anything, right? You can build furniture, you can run digital campaigns, or you can exploit poor people or do shitty things. You know, like how many companies are there that are like lending money to low income folks with like crazy high interest rates? Every day when they're running the business, like, yes, we need to, meet our quota, we need to exploit more poor people. What kind of a person are you? So I think if you start a business, you start a business doing something you love. You do something that makes the world a better place, because every single business is hard. Like exploiting people is probably hard business because there's hundreds of other people trying to exploit the same type of people. So there's a lot of competition in the exploitation space. There's a lot of competition in doing good in the world. The point is, if you're running a business, it's not just unicorns and money flying, right? It's mostly process. Every single day, you're just chipping away at the dream and trying to get somewhere with your business. Now, if you're trying to do something good, you have a vision of the world you're trying to build. You have a vision for something great that's going to happen. Or you just love whatever, you have a business that's building furniture and you love building furniture. You will love the process, because in most days, it's just the process. It's just about doing it. It's doing it. And if you don't love doing it, then you're just thinking about the millions coming many years from now. It's going to be a miserable ride. So do something you love, do something that might make the world a better place, and don't be a douche.